Alright, this is June 2016, question number 6. It says, the diagram below shows the graph of the straight line x plus y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 3 is a straight line. What type of gradient does it have, positive or negative? What type of gradient does it have, a positive or negative gradient? There's a negative gradient because it is sloping what? Down. There's a negative gradient. Alright. Determine the equation of the line. Are you listening? Alright. First of all, we have what? X plus y is equal to 3. Sorry, talk less please. Please focus. Positive x goes over and become what? So we have y is equal to minus x plus 3. What is the gradient of this line? What is
minus 1.
M? The gradient of this line is equal to minus 1. The gradient is minus 1. Here's what we're asked to do. Determine the equation of the line which is parallel, which is I, parallel to the line x plus y is equal to 3 and passes through the origin. They want the equation of the line that is parallel to this line and passes through the origin. So in essence, they want you to determine the equation of this line. They want you to determine the equation of this line. The two lines are what? It starts with P. Parallel. But this one passes through the what? Origin. What do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines have the same gradient. 1. 2. What do we know about a line that passes through the origin?
Origin, sir.
All lines that pass through the origin is in this format. Y is equal to mx. The only thing you need is the what? Is the gradient. Help me. What is the gradient of this line?
-1.
What would be the gradient of a line parallel to this line?
-1.
The answer you're looking for is y is equal to minus x. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
The answer is y is equal to minus x. Are these two lines parallel?
Yes, sir.
Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
How do I know? The gradient here is what?
Negative.
The gradient here is what? Negative 1. This one cuts the y-axis at what?
3.
This one passes through the origin. Let me erase this. I don't want it to confuse anything that we have to do afterwards. Yes, it's alright, but it's not wrong, but it's not right. Are you ready? Next. Determine of the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line x plus y is equal to 3 and passes through the midpoint of AB. Well, first I have to find what? The midpoint of what? AB. I don't know. I hate when people write the question in soon. Alright, the midpoint of AB. X1, x2 over 2, comma, y1, y2 over 2. Alright, AB, the distant line AB, pass through the midpoint of AB. What is AB? Oh, A is here.
Yes, sir.
A is here and what? B is here. This is the point 0, 3. And this is the point 3, 0. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This is 0 plus 3 over 2, comma. That is what? Talk to me.
3
So this is the point what? 3 over 2, comma what? 3 over what? 2.
1.5.
This is what? 1.5 comma 1.5. So the midpoint is here. 1.5, 1.5. So they want a line that is what? Perpendicular to this line and passes through that point. They want the equation of this line. Can we please talk? Can we please talk and focus? They want the equation of this line. The two lines are what? Start with P. Perpendicular. What is the gradient of this line? What will be the gradient of the line you want to find?
1.
You must invert it and what? Change its sign. So the graph is what? 1. So M is what? 1. 1 point on the line is what? M is 1. 1 point on the line is what? 1.5. 1.5. Are you with me still? Help me now? Fine. This is my x naught, y naught. This is y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. Already I know the answer now. The answer is y is equal to x. Already I know the answer. Because it passes through what? 1.5, 1.5. The line y is equal to x is a straight line that passes through all points on the graph where x and y have the what? Same value. I know I told you that already. So I already know the answer. But let us see if we can get that. Because knowing the answer is not enough. They've got to show the examiner what the answer is. So this is what? Y is equal to 1. But the gradient is what? Why is the gradient 1? Because that's what? Invert the gradient and what? So it's 1. X minus 1.5 plus what at the end? 1.5. Y is equal to 1 times x. 1 times x minus 1.5 plus what out at the end?
1.5.
This is y is equal to x. The line that is perpendicular to AB and passes through the midpoint of AB, which is 1.5, is the line y is equal to x. Alright, next. So I'm erasing this again. I don't want it to confuse anything else that we have to do. Alright, so we got halfway through. Let's do the next half, the B part of the question. The B part of the question says, we're to what? It says y is equal to, it says y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 is defined in the domain x is less than or equal to 4 but greater than or equal to minus 2. We're asked to complete the table. The first thing we're asked to do is to complete the table. This is a table of values and some of the values of y are missing. To get the missing values of y, this is what we have to do. Y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. I'm going to say when x is equal to 1. So the value of y when x is equal to 1 is missing. So I'm going to say when x is equal to 1, put that in the equation to calculate the value for y. Y would be equal to 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3. What is 1 squared? 1. Minus 2 minus 3. What is 1 minus 2 minus 3?
Minus 4.
Talk to me.
Minus 4.
This is minus 4. So the value here is minus 4. We're going to do the same thing again. Y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. I'm going to say when x is equal to 3. Y would be equal to 3 squared, 2 times 3 minus 3. 9 minus 6 minus 3 What is 9 minus 6 minus 3?
0.
The value here is 0. So find our two missing values. Then they say next, on the same axis, draw the graph of y is equal to x squared minus what? 2x minus 3. So let's plot our points. The first point is what? The first point is minus 2 what? Minus 2, 5. Do you agree that this is the point?
Yes, sir.
Next point.
Minus 1.
Minus 1, 0. This is this point. The next point is what?
0.
This is x is equal to 0. Y is minus 3. This is the point. The next point is what?
1 minus 4.
1. Vertical 1. Horizontal minus 4. This is the point. Next point.
2 to minus 3.
Which is here. Next point.
3 to 0.
Which is here. Next point.
4 to 5.
4 to.
5.
That's here. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Let's draw our graph. It's a curve.
Yes, sir.
This is the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Did you draw that?
Yes, sir.
What did they ask for next?
Do the incoming graph.
Determine the what? The minimum value of what? The minimum value of y min. The minimum value of y. What is the minimum value of y on the graph? Talk to me now. This is the lowest value on. This is the lowest value of y. What is the least value of y on the graph?
-4.
This is y min is equal to minus 4. So the answer is y min is equal to minus 4. What did they ask for next? Oh, sorry.
X.
They don't want the minimum value now. They said what? The minimum value of what? Y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 occurs when what? X is equal to? So, what is it? What is the value of x at the minimum point?
1.
So, x is equal to what? 1. Can you see it? Help me now?
Yes, sir.
And y is what?
-4.
So, the minimum value, the minimum value of y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 occurs when x is equal to 1. What next?
The value of x for which x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3.
Alright. Now, what they're asking you to do is to solve the equation. They're asking you to solve this equation. X squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 2. Let's talk a little. Plus 3. Plus 3. Stay with me. Now, if they're asking you to solve an equation, if someone is asking you the value of x that makes this equal to this, what they're asking you to do is to solve the equation. If someone asks you for the value of x that makes this equal to this, what they're asking you to do is to solve the equation. Stay with me. How did I tell you to use graph to solve an equation? I say you must draw the graph of the what? Left hand side. And draw the graph of the what?
Right hand side.
And the solution is what? The solution is the value of x where the two graphs intersect. So this is the left hand side. It's y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. This is the right hand side. Y is equal to minus x plus 3. But we already draw those, don't it? Help me now?
Yes.
Those are already on the what?
Graph.
On the graph. This is y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. This is y is equal to minus x plus 3. Help me. Where do the two graphs meet? They meet here, don't it? Where x is what?
-2.
X is minus 2. And they meet here where x is what?
3.
X is equal to what here?
3.
3. So my solutions are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. No,
The two, they meet here. You see that? Where x is what? Minus 2. They meet also what? Here, where x is what? 3.